What if I told you you can make marshmallows fly using craft sticks and rubber bands? Let's build a catapult. Knights used giant catapults to launch boulders at castles. Ours launches marshmallows at snack time. Way better. Grab your supplies: 9 craft sticks, 5 rubber bands, 1 plastic spoon, and a bag of mini marshmallows. Step 1. Stack 7 sticks together. Wrap a rubber band around each end, nice and tight. Step 2. Take the last 2 sticks. Band them together at one end only, so they open like an alligator mouth. Step 3. Push the big stack between the alligator's jaws, all the way down. Now cross a band where they meet. That's your launcher. Step 4. Rubber band the spoon onto the top stick. Spoon side up, that's the marshmallow seat. Load a marshmallow, pull the spoon down. 3, 2, 1, launch! Whoa! Did you see that fly? Here's the science. When you pull the spoon down, you're bending the stick and storing energy inside it, like a sleepy spring. Let go, and whoosh! All that stored energy wakes up and turns into motion energy. Scientists call it energy transformation. Experiment time. Pull the spoon down just a little, then all the way. Which launch flies farther? Measure it. Now grab a cup and play marshmallow basketball. Move the cup closer, then farther. Can you land 3 in a row? Remember the launcher rule. Soft things only, and never launch at faces, pets, or your little brother. Marshmallows only. You built a real machine that stores and launches energy, just like the Knights. See you next build, engineers. Bye!